Hi, I'm Fabien from Barcelona, and I'm here to present you the new videos of 8 Steps to the Reformer. Those videos are made for you who want to practice gradually and easily your intermediate reformer. It's a way to build up the exercise and manage to do the full intermediate reformer at the end. What will be good for you, teacher, inside those videos is to find the logic of how you build up an intermediate reformer, how to introduce why, when, which are really the evaluation spots where you can find that your clients can do such or such exercise. This theory or this logic, it's a work of all my life as teacher, working with my clients. Coming from students, I always wanted to know how to introduce and which exercise I have to introduce. So I've been working over those 20 years as teachers to build up a logic system for my clients and for you teachers of how and why this exercise go after the other. Each step has a goal. To know exactly where you are inside the intermediate reformer, to work safely, to build up safely your intermediate reformer. Know when to stop and go to the system, or when to push a little bit more your clients to another step. Within your practice, what you will notice that each step leads to one to the other. So it's a really logic and anatomically way to work your body. Through that logic, your body will change. Exercise that you find struggling with, now you're gonna really feel that through that progression, it will go logically towards the split series that is the end of the reformer. The idea behind this series is the concept of all those videos is to teach you what was behind the scene or what was in the mind of Joe Pilates as he created his methods. What's the insight of it? Coming back to all that logic, you will discover more about the methods and how this genius designed what we call now Pilates methods.